9 ways to clear blackheads and whiteheads. Do you know the best way to have healthy and flawless skin on your face? We do. Take proper care of it. Clear and beautiful skin is one of the main characteristics of beauty, and it lets you show off your best features. You don't have to buy expensive cosmetics anymore. We have a wonderful list of remedies that will naturally help you remove whiteheads and improve the quality of your skin. Let's take a look. Method number 1. Coconut oil plus essential oils. Did you know that coconut oil is the best solution for most of skin and hair problems? Slightly melt a cup of coconut oil in a jar. You can put it in the microwave for 10 to 15 seconds. Then combine the coconut oil with 10 drops of lemon, lavender, and tea tree oils. Now stir well until smooth. Use a cotton ball to apply the solution to your skin in the morning and evening after washing your face. The mixture should be stored in a sealed jar at room temperature. You'll notice amazing changes in your skin after a few times. Method number 2. Vaseline and plastic wrap. The best time to use this trick is right after a shower because the heat from the water will have opened your pores. Apply Vaseline to the area that needs to be treated. Then place the plastic wrap over the Vaseline with the wrap still in place. Apply a hot towel and let it sit until it cools back down to room temperature. Then use a tissue to remove any excess Vaseline from your face and gently squeeze the skin where the blackheads are clogging your pores. The dirt should be pushed out very easily. Finally, wipe a cotton pad soaked in lotion over your skin. Repeat this procedure once or twice a month and your skin will thank you. Method number 3. Lemon, honey, and sugar. This mixture can work wonders with your skin. Cut a lemon in half and pour enough honey to cover the cut surface of the lemon. Then sprinkle the lemon half with 2 pitches of sugar. By the way, it's better to use cane sugar. Now gently massage the problem areas with this natural sponge in a circular motion. Repeat this no more than once a week. You'll see incredible results very soon. Method number 4. Cinnamon plus oat flour. Mix a teaspoon of oat flour with an equal amount of cinnamon powder. Add a little warm water and stir well. The mixture should be the consistency of very thick cream. Gently apply this mixture with your fingertips in a circular motion on your face. Scrub for about 1 minute and then wash your face thoroughly with cold water. Keep in mind that cinnamon may cause a tingling sensation when applied on the skin. No worries, it will disappear after you wash your face. Use this trick no more than twice a month. Method number 5. Activated charcoal and green clay. Mix half a teaspoon of activated charcoal powder, 1 teaspoon of green clay, and half a teaspoon of warm water together. Mix well until the mixture is smooth and free of lumps. Apply the mask to your face with a sponge or brush. Let the mask sit for several minutes until it dries completely. Then rinse it off with cold water. If you repeat this once or twice a week, your pores will be nice and clean. Method number 6. Coconut oil plus coffee grounds. First, put a half cup of coconut oil into the microwave to warm it up slightly. Then combine it with a half cup of fresh coffee grounds. Use some of the mixture immediately and gently massage your face with circular movements. After scrubbing, leave the mixture on your face for 5 minutes, then use cold water to wash it off. Repeat the procedure once a week and you will fall in love with your skin. Again, by the way, you can divide the remaining mixture into muffin tins or ice cube trays and put it into a freezer. Method number 7. Aloe vera, white clay, and essential oils. Mix 2 teaspoons of white clay and 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel. Then add 1 teaspoon of plain distilled water and 3 drops of ylang, and lavender essential oils. In a glass or ceramic bowl, mix all the ingredients until the mixture is smooth. Apply the mask to your face with a sponge brush and let it sit for about 10 minutes. Rinse it off with warm water. Keep in mind you can use this mask only twice a month. Method number 8. Oatmeal, honey, yogurt, and olive oil. Place the cup of oatmeal, 2 teaspoons of yogurt, 2 teaspoons of honey, and 2 teaspoons of olive oil in a food processor and blend it until well combined. Apply the mixture to your clean face, scrubbing in a circular motion for 1 to 2 minutes, then wash it off with warm water. If you have extremely sensitive skin that seems to be irritated by scrubbing, no scrub. Just use the mixture as a facial mask and leave it on your skin for 5 to 7 minutes. Use this trick once or twice a week and your skin will radiate beauty. Method number 9. Sugar, honey, olive oil, vanilla extract. Combine a 1/4 cup of white sugar with a 1/4 cup of brown sugar in a bowl and mix. Add a 1/4 cup of olive oil and stir well. Then mix in 1 tablespoon of honey and a half a tea. Vanilla extract. Stir all the ingredients well until smooth and scrub the blackhead with this mixture. Rinse it off with warm water. Well done! You can use this remedy once a week and store the mixture in an airtight jar at room temperature. We recommend you try all these methods and let us know which one is the most beneficial to you in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. And if you're visiting our channel for the first time, click subscribe to stay on the deep side of life.